Chapter 4, Tutorial 3. Select the new file, select model template, enter the name c04tut3, select the sketch tool and select YZ plane as the sketching plane, and let us draw the outer profile. Select profile tool, 30 mm length, mm as the length, angle 180, 5 mm length, angle 270, 60 mm length, angle 0, 9 mm length, angle 270, 40 mm length, angle 180, 8 mm length, angle 0, 6 mm length, angle 270, 10 mm length, angle 0, 4 mm length, 270, and finish the sketch. Select the horizon. Now select the fillet tool, enter radius 1.5, select this corner and this corner. This completes our profile. Now finish the sketch. Press escape. Now invoke a revolve command. Select the sketch. Specify vector. Select the horizontal line and accept the default. Say OK. Select the show and click on the minus sign in the datum and sketches. Now rotate the model, right click and view orient to trimetric, save the file, close C04 tutorial 3. This completes chapter 4 tutorial 3.